Hello. Welcome to my channel Past and Present. Today we are going to explore the mighty River Nile. Known as the longest river in the world, it has been the source of life for civilizations for thousands of years. Let's start by taking a look at its source. The River Nile begins at Lake Victoria in Uganda and flows northwards through 11 countries in Africa, including Sudan and Egypt. As we follow the Nile, we come across the famous Aswan Dam in Egypt. Built in the 1960s, it provides electricity and helps with irrigation for agriculture in the area. Continuing down the Nile, we reach one of the most iconic sites in Egypt, the Pyramids of Giza. These ancient structures have been standing for over 4,500 years and continue to be one of the biggest tourist attractions in the world. Another significant site along the Nile is the Temple of Karnak in Luxor, Egypt. Built by the pharaohs, this temple is a testament to the grandeur and wealth of the ancient Egyptian civilization. As the Nile reaches the Mediterranean Sea, it provides fertile land for agriculture and supports the livelihoods of millions of people living along its banks. The River Nile has played a crucial role in the development of civilizations and continues to be an important source of life in Africa. From its source in Lake Victoria to its mouth in the Mediterranean, the Nile is a testament to the power of nature and the ingenuity of man. Thanks for watching our channel Past and Present. Do like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.